What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be taking a quick look and review of the Taurus TX-22. Now this gun hasn't been on the market for very long and it's been getting some pretty mixed reviews online. So I wanted to do my own testing. I put approximately 500 rounds through this gun, and here are the results. What I'm going to do is I'll roll in some footage here of me shooting the gun, so you guys can take a look at that. So let's go ahead and run through the specs really quick, and then I'll talk about some things that I like and maybe just a couple things that I don't like about the gun. So of course this is in 22, which is why they call it the TX-22. This is a single action only gun. It does come with two 16-round magazines depending on where you live. If you're in a state like California, it'll only be 10-round, two 10-round magazines. So keep that in mind. The barrel length on this is 4.1 inches. You got an overall length of 7.06 inches. And an overall height of 5.44 inches. The overall width is 1.25 inches, and that's at the widest point. The weight is 17.3 ounces. You do have adjustable 3-dot sights. They can be adjusted for windage and elevation. So that's an awesome feature there. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in a second. The slide is made out of aluminum. The barrel is steel and the grip is polymer. And you do have a really nice grip texture here, enabling you to get a firm grasp on the gun as you shoot it. The safety features you got a striker block, you got a trigger safety, you got a manual safety. And the manual safety doesn't come on all models, but I do have the one with the manual safety on it. And the finish, of course, is a hard anodized black. It does have a Picatinny rail here up front, so you can mount a light or whatever else you want to mount on the front. So let's get down to what I think about the Taurus TX-22. This is a very reliable gun. As I stated earlier, I've shot 500 rounds and I haven't had one single issue with it. Straight out of the box, it was pretty accurate. And as I said, I wanted to talk about the sights for a second. This is a very nice feature that you can adjust these for windage and elevation. Make those adjustments by tightening and loosening the screws on the side, and then there's a screw here up top as well. The grip, very nice grip angle. You can really get up high on the gun. And the other thing I really like is the really high capacity on the magazines. 16 rounds plus one in the chamber gives you 17 rounds. It does come with a speed loader as well, and also a suppressor adapter, a collar. So if you want to put a suppressor on this, I don't know why you would, but you can if you wanted to. Overall, this is a pretty awesome package here. The only thing I don't really like about it is the price. When I bought it, it was $299. You get a $50 mail-in rebate at that time anyway, making it about $250. Looking online lately, I've seen them for as low as $200. Trigger pull is really nice. I'm gonna let you listen to it and listen to the reset. Trigger pull, reset. Magazine release, really good. No issues there with the magazines hanging up. They fall right out. External safety, some people like it, some people don't. And of course your magazine, your slide lock right there. Very easy to break this gun down as well. So yeah, overall a really nice package from Taurus. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You got to think about what you want to use this gun for. This is not going to be your everyday carry self-defense pistol. The rounds are just too small, and they're not going to do as much damage as, say, a 9mm or, you know, a 357 or even a 380 round. So this is good for a beginning shooter. It's good for practice because you can shoot a lot of rounds for not a lot of money. So the cost savings there is going to be dramatic compared to other rounds. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you guys are not following me on my social media, please do that. Please not rate, but please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Again, I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.